Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I made like a 13-minute video, basically going through all the steps of Tesla, the confluences, how I set support and resistance. Unfortunately, I didn't have my phone was actually turned off. So whenever it turns off and then turns back on again, I have to manually go in and record. When I record my screen, I have to also select to record the sound. I did not do that. I recorded my 13-minute video on Tesla and what I thought, and I basically just it just basically went nowhere. So instead of going another 13 minutes and talking about Tesla, I'm just going to tell you guys basically what I thought was going on. I think we're going to drop down to 841, bounce back possibly to 900 bucks, or drop down to 773. If we drop down to 773, you might see a small bounce from 773 up, and then you come all the way down. If this 200 MA breaks, pretty high chance you go all the way down to 678. So I think this week, to play Tesla, I'll probably buy puts for 841 to see what's going on. But I also do think that because you have this gap up here, you could essentially pop back up, fill this gap, and then come back down. Whoops. So, ultimately, uh, main goal is, or main target is 841, regardless if we fill gap first, then drop down, or drop down first, and then fill gap. So I think if anything, I'll probably buy one put for Tesla here as soon as Monday opens. If we fill this gap, I'll probably buy another put, double down, and then for like maybe 2 3 weeks out. And then as soon as we hit 841, which I think is likely, um, again, this is only if you think this is gonna happen. This is probably just what I'm gonna do. I might end up, because I always usually put sell limits on my options because I don't like being risky. So if Tesla goes down, 10 20%, you know, on the option, I'm probably going to be out of it because I have my stop losses, my sell limits on that target, right? Oh, sorry. Um, but yeah, as of right now, I think Tesla's going to 841. Don't really care if it fills gap first, then drops, or drops immediately to 841. But it does look like more than likely, I think if on this what is it called? If on this trigger, this hour trigger, we do end up closing it to the downside, to the lower side, more than likely, I think we're going to go down to 841. And even so, I think if we break that 876 low, 876, 877 low, 878, I think we go all the way back down to 841, at least for this week. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.